And welcome back to another exciting episode of the Bionic Colorist, Watercolorist. And this is part 2 of the pencil crayons edition of our project. So what I've been doing is I've been coloring. Now, these are the pencil crayons, these that I originally started with. And so that is what I have. And that's about as much as I'm going to put on it. And the reason is that's good enough. With pencil crayon, it makes it very difficult because pastels would be easier for sure. But, that's the way it goes. Pencil crayons, you can do a lot with pencil crayons, but it takes you a long time. And you need one of these. If you don't have one of those with these, you're going to be in big trouble. So, if you remember, we started out, these are all the ones that I didn't use, okay, for these. So, which ones did I use? Okay, so I got black, brown, darker brown, kind of a redder brown, red, beige, blue. I'm missing a blue. Blue, green, green, and gray. So, what are we going to use to try and make this? First of all, where is the focal point? Well, I think it is still around here. So, what we need to do is, again, we're focusing on in here. Our eye is being drawn. And how is our eye being drawn there? Two different ways. This is the sky. But you'll notice, and this is where with watercolors we're going to do a way better job, is color intensity. You'll notice that it's a thicker color here, like it's a heavier, deeper blue here than it is down here. And so that, again, this intensity here draws your eye down this way. The same thing happens here. Okay, so what we do is we're actually going from denser to lighter. This is about the same, but it is lighter here, denser here. Again, perspective. Everything is being stretched out. Now, I want to show you this. Because if you notice, we're going to get into paper next. But you'll notice right here, what I did is I painted it blue. Now I painted this one a dark blue, and I painted this one a lighter blue, and I didn't paint this at all. So when you look at it, the further away you go, the further away you go from the subject, these all have you can see that this looks more intense in color than this part, because this has got the blue. This is atmosphere. You've got the atmosphere is tinting that mountain blue, and that's why we use color to help give it that three-dimensional look. So if you notice no blue here, it looks closer. Our rocks, I think we did a pretty good job capturing the rocks. The road, yeah, it's just a road. Now the grass is just a combination. We've got that. We've got that. We're using that. And that's basically the grass. And you always want to put a little red in there, because there's always red bushes or, red weeds, that sort of thing, that will give it a red or burnt umber or burnt sienna look. And so that are all the pencil crayons I used. And that is my creation for the day. Let's just straighten this out so we get a good look at it. And there you go. A little bit of color. I like the clouds. They give it a bit of look. Thanks again. I hope this exercise is good for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And the next time we're going to get into painting watercolors, doing the real thing. Thanks again, and have yourself a good day. Stay safe and have fun.